Apple cider vinegar before bed. Surprising benefits and how to do it right. What if I told you that one simple habit at night could change how your body burns fat, balances sugar, and even improves your sleep? Without expensive supplements or crazy diets? Most people drink apple cider vinegar in the morning, but that's actually the worst time for some of its benefits. The truth about taking it at night might surprise you, and some of it is backed by real science. Many people wonder, does apple cider vinegar before bed actually help with digestion, metabolism, or even brain function? Today, I'll break it down step by step. By the end, you'll know the exact way to take it and the mistakes to avoid, so you actually get results. Quick question, do you already use apple cider vinegar in meals? Or maybe in water? Drop your answer in the comments. I'm curious to see who already has this habit. Here's something shocking. Most people think apple cider vinegar only works on an empty stomach in the morning. That's a myth. Taken at night, it can supercharge digestion, stabilize blood sugar, and support metabolism while you sleep. But there's one mistake most people make that cancels these benefits. I'll explain that later. Apple cider vinegar comes from fermented apple juice. This fermentation produces acetic acid, the compound behind most benefits. It also has polyphenols, antioxidants, potassium, and prebiotics that feed your gut bacteria. Pro tip: choose organic, raw vinegar with the mother. Unfiltered, full of enzymes, and far more effective than pasteurized versions. Here's what happens when you take it before bed. The acetic acid slows digestion slightly, preventing blood sugar spikes at night. If you feel bloated after dinner, it can make your stomach feel lighter. It helps regulate insulin, the hormone that controls blood sugar. You won't wake up hungry or craving snacks. Studies show apple cider vinegar can lower post-meal blood sugar by up to 34%. That's huge. Steady blood sugar overnight means you wake up energized, clear-headed, and ready to take on the day. And here's something almost no one knows. Apple cider vinegar can actually help your body burn fat while you sleep. It activates an enzyme called AMPK, your body's fat-burning switch. Think about it, your body literally becomes a fat-burning machine while you rest. And yet, almost no one knows this. If this is blowing your mind, hit like and subscribe for more science-backed wellness tips. Comment below. Have you tried apple cider vinegar at night? What happened? How to take it? Here's the right way to do it. Use 1 to 2 teaspoons of organic ACV in a large glass of water right after dinner. Not on an empty stomach and not immediately before bed. Why? Drinking it too late or too concentrated can cause acid reflux, irritate your throat, or disturb sleep. Remember, more isn't better. Small, consistent doses make the real difference. Apple cider vinegar won't fix your lifestyle, but it can enhance it. Pair it with balanced meals and a healthy routine. Don't expect it to do all the work. So, to sum up, taking apple cider vinegar before bed can help. Improve digestion after dinner. Balance blood sugar overnight. Reduce late-night hunger. Boost fat metabolism naturally. Support gut and brain health. Just 1 to 2 teaspoons in water after dinner is enough. If you have reflux, gastritis, or take medication, consult your doctor first. If you found this helpful, don't miss my next video. Best way to eat chia seeds for gut health, with water or yogurt. It's linked below and will help you understand how your gut impacts your entire body, from sleep to focus and even mood. Thanks for watching, and take care of yourself naturally.